This is the Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand with 2 Duracell batteries. This is an ultra-fast handheld drink mixer and electric whisk foam maker for coffee, lattes, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate and creamer. Now we coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte because you know your tastes best. Note that the packaging may vary. Now to clean up this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. Just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on, and voila, it's instantly clean. When stored on the counter or table, it sits nicely next to other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, which are included with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. This is the Zulay Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand with 2 Duracell batteries. Add it to cart and get frothing.